rolling, rolling your body, rolling, rolling your body, rolling. See, that's what I'm not the friend because people come and they go. Yes, just believe that. That's why I'm gonna keep girl come with the man Princeton. Hello? Yes, people, good morning. That's why I'm gonna keep blood clot friend. That's why I'm gonna keep blood clot company. That's why I'm gonna beat stomach. I tell you, I'm gonna beat stomach now. Good enough, I'm gonna beat stomach. Good enough, I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that, girl. That's why I'm gonna tell girl my business. That's why I'm gonna tell girl my accomplishments, them. That's why I'm gonna keep blood class circle. I'm gonna keep chattings. I'm gonna do none of them sitting there with girl pit. Because girl pit it turn for broad mind. Yes, good. So I'm gonna ask you good morning, one and all. Good morning. Who did I see pitch that? Kiss my blood clot. You see girl pitney? One terrible something them in a J code. Me tell you that is a girl pitney. They're wicked. Yeah. I see a picture with the girl go viral, say mama have AIDS. Mama walk on a shot and a pop out. But you know, so you don't know fabrication of evidence. You understand? You don't see them the voice, them the blood class creed shot there and real. You see, I know it's a little bit in the blood clot, AIDS and rare and tail. You feel it, but I'm just show no blood clot girl pick me stay so understand? Who now one girl have sitting nowadays on the internet and come on the tarnish a girl name in a G code. You feel it, baby? If una girl pitney have nothing nowadays, you come here so you fuck up girl pitney name no matter how una the girl pitney have. God, you know, I take mama, good I take mama man, you know. Nothing more than mama good I fuck all mama man, they know one sitting a girl pitney. Bad mind in a dog. Girl pitney the bad mind is thing. One always I say man bad mind. Nah, ja. Who man bad mind you fuck me G? Eh? Not sure man I tell you. I feel like I did aloe vera. You understand me? I drink enough water now G code. You see me I did? Yeah, G code. You understand me? Yeah. Boy flourishing into a butterfly. You understand me? At first, I was just a cocoon. I'm busting out of the cocoon right now. A beautiful butterfly soaring to the heights like Air Jamaica, which I can't get airlines now, but the same thing. You know it go. You see me? You see how the stairs girl pick the moment to use this as a blood clot lesson. More the whole on as girl pick use it as a lesson, man, my friend. You know, say, have she one girl have sitting and mama just get mama pitched and drop couple AIDS texts and ray and tell me, I'm telling you, you know, wicked, my girl, you know, that's all a man thinking about girl. Thinking about girl, where you get out of that? Where you get out of that this morning? Tell me where you're gonna possibly get out if you're looking at somebody blood clot face and just try to tell people say they have blood clot. AIDS G code. No man, J code man, mama, come on now, all your blood clot either to the mama coming out do it. Mama got the blood clot AIDS test and come back, but she approve. Mama, me not approve nothing, you know. Me not have AIDS in the side, girl. Me don't need to prove nothing because let me tell you how bad mind work goods. You see you who go through that situation, let me tell you how bad mind. Mama, you could have take 300 tests. They will make sickness go viral, say a lie. Enough for your blood. It test, a wrong test. Nobody never. You see me, I do it? She forget a gunshot in her face to do that to the little girl, BG. It don't matter what you and a girl have. If you put up a girl pitch there and I come talk about the girl have AIDS and them little thing there, you know, say I want bitter thinking human being in a thinking mouth girl. The girl will do that, you know. God, you know, want thinking mouth boy, gonna do it to you, dog. Oh, Jesus Christ, my friend, man. This way, so that means that more, I want to know something now. A whole heap of little things on us go viral, not no go so. Not go so G code. Me I try to tell you, look at them turn, them tear down the pitney name now. Say pitney have AIDS. I saw girl pitney as some mankind work. You don't even know if it's a girl pitney or a girl and a man make up on a dress to look a girl. blood clot name, no matter what kind of blood clot circumstance. Who she fuck feel? Me G. For no walk and tarnish down people bumbo clot name them weird with them the blood clot lie there. What if I got jail, G? What if I got blood clot jail for that, me G? That on arm the pussy clot pitney G code. On give that the girl there on a wicked, me G. For you walk, I put up people thing and I talk about the girl of AIDS and them thing there. Me not care how wicked that the little blood clot girl there is and rare. You not do them thing that to people, man. Them not thinking mouth boy and blood clot girl where you see out in the blood clot public and them are wicked and be wicked them, me I try to tell you. You and them good today, you tell them a secret today and that the last day that was a blood clot secret, my J. All when no go so, from them know you went and hear somebody say, you know, said Dan did do that. Them are going to say a true because it will only that chimney and batty. How can all our family do our so too? Who to know as a mankind wicked G code? As some people walk and tarnish them one another G. Every day and fuck up them one another character, my J. No go say no. You know what it is for you walk and a brand somebody about them have blood clot HIV and a walk and a kill every blood clot body. You go send out all a text boy or a wicked boy give me and I hate boys and I'm going to give it to every. That means when I send police to go lock up a little blood clot girl. Because that is a crime. For you know see you have HIV and I walk and I give somebody else so now blood clot try kill her if you look up pitney youth. Oh no wicked some G. Morning mama. One time I look into it and I say, oh Jesus Christ. Then so far people are going right now to prove a blood clot point. Everybody use social media and a blood clot. So them a bully them friend them. You know, as somebody will know this girl do that, you know. As somebody will know she in a blood clot circle and good in her family in a G code. Bumbo clot. What do you see? That's one serious news. When you see that I go viral, this is a serious news. That girl have AIDS and I give everybody AIDS. Because a boy give her the, and that the message will come out with the picture where say this is a girl have AIDS, you know. Big man thing in the youth. I kill on the one people kill that the girl, you know. All one time blood, some man we all fuck it already, see all this now. And I say, bumbo clot. I go check all myself. Man could have go kill her, run all the knife in her, mankind wicked G. I kill her now, kill the blood clot child. Who no mind corrupt me G. Me not ask you no. No badness no in that one do all like just bad mind that. No badness no nothing no tug nothing boy no tug no nothing. Me bumbo clot. Me surprised. So it's a reason why me come do this topic because guess what I only put them little wickedness here. I go out my friend with people in your circle, me G. That's why you have to know where you hold in yourself, G. Because them thinking more, boy, I'm thinking more, girl, you are wicked, me G. Baby, the charge out there. The whole of them are wicked, you know. Boy, girl. You don't know who for blood clot trust. You think she know who? Blood clot put up a picture and make them the blood clot fake message there and send it. A serious crime that I go on there, you know. One time you have to make sure tell the public say, being the person, you want pretend to be this person with the AIDS and I go say. Your aim is to give everybody back this AIDS disease because our wicked somebody here the AIDS. And you want to make sure so you give back the AIDS to every blood clot body. From once you put out something like that, it go viral in a no time. Everybody, when you put up the sexiest picture with the girl too. You feel me, dad? And if you know, say, yo, Them there's something that I'm sitting in a real society where you feel me? I deal with what people afraid of. No, man, she a young girl, man. And I know big woman. The girl about 21, 22. When you look and see her picture, you know she a no old girl. Young little girl, man. You see me I deal with? Not no more than anyone want like a young like a blood clot girlfriend them have sitting there now or one boy who used to fuck her and now get back you fuck and them thing that him good at do her so. Come on, wicked them way they no girls. Me I tell you, some boy wanna trust us and me say be careful of them blood class. Be careful who for phone and no suck good pan. Be careful who for phone take a picture on your face. Because of them kind of thing, yeah, this is social media reach now. You see one time a human being can't have, she is 17. You see when a human being can't have them way with you no more, them tarnish your blood clot name G. You feel like me I deal with the G? Me gonna tell you, when you want a boy left and him decide say him can't fuck you back or get you back or him drop your face, man. Bust up your face on the ground, man. Nobody know want you, man. He make sure of that. He make sure say nobody not get no fuck off of you. He make sure say him and the man. You feel like you deal with the last man for fuck you. Drop out all a disgrace like that say you have AIDS. No man no want fuck your baby girl. Because no man no want catch AIDS, you know. A sub boy pick me wicked. Girl pick me wicked so too. Girl pick me wicked so too. But me I tell you about boy pitney. Enough time me say boy pitney do them 10-year-old. You see me I deal with me J. Drop a girl on her face. Just so him can't fuck it again me J. You feel me? You hear me J? You wanna make sure say nobody no fuck it again. You wanna make sure nobody no beg get no pussy. You wanna make sure say anywhere them see that them know say it have AIDS. You hear me J? You have boy pitney wicked them way and drop a little girl face up. 18-year-old, me not say a 18-year-old can't have AIDS already. You see me? But the man know, a person will put out this with the little girl, know in a themself, in a them heart, in a them soul, say the little girl don't have blood clot AIDS. But they might make sure embarrass her. They might make sure say this go viral. Say this your girl, look how she sexy, look how she nice. She have AIDS. They might make sure say nobody no look for your direction. A wickedness that. That is like you killing a human being. But them not physically kill her, you know, they might emotionally kill her. They might kill her. They might whosoever make it stab her right in her bum buckler throat. Oh go on Shane. Let me tell you that boy pitney, do them thing to girl pitney. Make sure say nobody no look on that girl pitney there again. You have wicked friend around you where do them thing there silently right beside you. You don't even know how that girl are doing. Your best friend do it. The girl where you share everything with. Your heart and your soul and your bum buckle at body hole. She will take a picture with you because a bad mind and put it out there and say that girl have AIDS. Because that girl look better than me now everywhere me go, you know. With that girl, you know. Everybody call to this girl and they don't call to me, you know. You feel like me I deal with? They call to me second, you know. They call to she first, you know. Wicked girl do them thing there. Thinking more the illiterate, cranny, nasty, thinking folly girl. Thinking more girl do them thing there. Bad mind girl. Sore individual you call them, yeah. Sore. Well, because you born with your looks. You look good. You're out there. If man a call to you is a problem. If you don't get shouted at is a fucking problem. Thinking more girl nobody not see you. Them say she. You will tarnish girl name for that. The same girl we sit outside there right now with the ball, she. The same girl where I say girl, we need to find out who, she. Do it. That same girl there. Or your cousin, where your things say your heart and your soul, she. Do it. All your blood clot sister. Nasty minded people, it don't come in a friend, it don't come in a family, it come in a human being, dog. No category. So right now, the little girl, her picture, they all over the blood clot media, say she have AIDS. And have all WhatsApp message with fake number, say the girl number, this a text other people and say, you can't say it's a dunce girl. I try to set up the girl to her a dunce boy. Because you can't see them the blood clot text there. Them not even fully bumbo clot educational, none at all. You don't even get what the fuck it I try to say. More than it I say me catch AIDS and I give back everybody. And put up a girl picture there. Me say people are bitter. Like Cersei. Busy. Me say the same somebody will sit down side there up on the couch. You see him somebody will sit lie down side there up on the bed. I call you man boo. You own a man who are fucking and you all do that to you. The man where you suck him on and a fuck him good, him will do that to you. Perish your blood clot name and give a reason why I left your blood clot right now. Everybody from around you just melt like ice cube buddhas. They want to make sure they kill everything, every emotional, every blood clot feeling in you. All fake pill. Who no put side of the blood clot girl picture. Who no heart bitter youth. This can be a dirty boy, a dirty girl. It could be a cousin, could be a sister. Me say it could be somebody who sit on the right side of you on the blood clot couch there. Do that to your name. Pill to your name. Couple fake texts with your name. AIDS side of your picture by your blood clot name. As someone kind of wicked me J. Them think they are gonna go viral and them know. And them will make sure them kill her. Them will kill her emotionally, mentally. Them just don't want to touch her physically. Because they pussy. Whosoever have a beef with the little girl, who know pussy. Because a pussy move when you go. When you can't do her nothing physically, you know, so emotionally you not kill her. And mentally you not tarnish her bumbuckler name J. Because you not pussy. When you can't step up to her and war, when you can't step up and do nothing, so what you do? I can't want dirty boy when you was her brother them a bad man. I can't want dirty boy when you was saying can't touch her because her father and this man yeah. I can't want look a thinking mouth girl when you know say this girl is a bad girl and can rush him. So what them do? Use blood clot social media and tell everybody say you have blood clot AIDS. You make you lay down in your room and ball. When everybody say your blood clot have AIDS, you can't do nothing about that. You can't do nothing about that, then can't lick you, you know. Them can't lick her. So guess what them do? They make sure do it that way, yeah. Because them know say physically if I go over there and rush her, our uncle or our cousin them would have beat up with dog or shout with dog or red. But if we put out a viral blood clot picture, make it go viral, nobody don't know who do it. I say, okay, your blood clot circle, your cousin will sit down right there, so. The same people, when you give all your bumbuckler loyalty, them same bumbuckler one. Do it. Now the whole social media say this a blood clot girl have AIDS already and the girl try to spread it because she say one wicked boy here. No go sign a G. Them they not even AIDS spilling a G. Look how now do the people and put the name. The little girl are 18 G. Me not say a 18-year-old can't have AIDS. But what kind of reputation that they put when a girl know say she don't have it? You're a wicked human. No, the girl I forgot to take AIDS test. Me don't know why my even got to take no AIDS test. Me not have AIDS and that's right there. If you don't believe me, just not believe me, G. But me not bumbuckler take the test and put it on social media neither. But she'd have to go that far too, you know. You know why? You see the time and the age we live in, them don't have me as that already with the fake pill. Them enough people probably don't see the girl blood clot AIDS test where she take yesterday yet.